Drip diapers protect finished flooring from fluid leaks. An absorbative pad in the center of each drip diaper collects fluid that may leak from the chassis of equipment. Drip diapers are available in 7 standard sizes that can be customized to fit any piece of equipment, as well as 3 machine-specific pre-cut sizes, allowing you to stock just a few part numbers. Every drip diaper includes an install kit consisting of bungee assemblies with clips and magnets to make attachment points easy and installation a breeze. Included in each standard drip diaper package is 1 drip diaper with absorbative pad, 1 pair of scissors, and 8 to 12 neodymium magnets and bungee assemblies. Pre-cut options do not include scissors. Spread the drip diaper out in front of the machine with the absorptive pad facing up. Drive onto drip diaper, centering the machine. Use included scissors to notch edges for tire cutouts. Ensure a minimum 2-inch clearance around all tires. Back the machine off of the drip diaper and complete the tire cutouts. Slide drip diaper under machine, ensuring pad faces up and tires sit in cutouts. Attach clip end of each bungee assembly to exposed outside corners of drip diaper. Place magnets on machine near bungee assemblies and attach hook end of bungees to magnets. Adjust magnet and clip locations as necessary for a proper fit. Ensure magnet placement allows enough slack for proper operation of pothole protectors. Machine should be powered off with the key removed during each step of the installation. For installation assistance, to place an order, or for additional questions, please contact us at info@TireSocks.com or call us at 1-888-SOCK-911.